The Pulley Mechanical Advantage Calculator determines the mechanical advantage and effort force required to lift loads using different pulley configurations. Let's start with the input fields. First, we have the Pulley Type drop-down menu with 4 options. Fixed pulley with MA equals 1, single movable pulley with MA equals 2, compound pulley system, and custom number of pulleys. For this demonstration, I'm selecting fixed pulley. Next is the units drop-down, which offers newtons, pounds, or kilograms. I'll keep it set to newtons. Below that, we enter the number of supporting rope segments, which accepts values from 1 to 20. Finally, we input the load weight in our selected units. For our example, I'll enter 2 for the number of supporting rope segments and 10 for the load weight. After clicking Calculate Mechanical Advantage, we get 3 key results. The mechanical advantage shows 1.0, meaning no force multiplication with this fixed pulley setup. The required effort force is 10 more newtons, equal to our load weight since MA is 1. The rope distance ratio displays 1.0 to 1, indicating we pull the same distance the load moves. This calculator streamlines pulley system design for mechanical engineers. Find the link in the description below.